Hello everyone, I am Anuja Chitwastava and today I am going to start the next chapter in class 6 biology, and the name of this chapter is digestive system. So I hope you all are understand what I am going to teach you in this chapter. So let's start the chapter digestive system. Because I am going to teach you about the digestive system, so we must know about the nutrition and the nutrient. That what is nutrition? So everyone is knowing the process of obtaining food. We are obtaining the food, that process is known as the nutrition. But why we are obtaining the food? Because to maintain our body, to growth of our body, to provide energy, that's why we are obtaining the food. So when we are obtaining the food, we are also eating the different types of nutrients. You all are knowing because you were studied in class 5 previously. That means what are the different types of nutrients? Just like carbohydrates, fat, protein, minerals and vitamins. So why we are using these different types of food? Because carbohydrate and fat, these are the energy giving food. These provides us energy. The protein, it is a body building food which is very necessary for the growing child and growing kids. Next is the vitamins and minerals. So they are the protective food, they protect us from the disease. That's why it is very necessary to eat the green vegetables, the fruits and all the other things. Now we all are knowing, if we are not eating these nutrients in proper amount, so we are just facing the different types of disease which are known as the deficiency disease. Deficiency, the meaning of deficiency means किसी चीज़ की कमी हो जाना. जब हमारी बॉडी में किसी चीज़ की, किसी न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी हो जाती है, so that disease is known as the deficiency disease. Now come back to our main topic, that is the digestive system. So let us see that whatever the organ is present in our body, that all organs are involved in the digestion and some organs are involved in the digestion. So digestion, the parts through which the food passes, that complete path is known as the alimentary canal. Okay. And let us see whatever the parts of alimentary canal. So the first part is the mouth. So mouth, because mouth is the part through which we are intake the food, हम मुंह से ही food को intake करते हैं. That's why mouth is also known as the oral cavity. Now कौन कौन से parts mouth में involve हैं? So that the parts which is present inside the mouth, that is the tongue. Then some glands are also there, but we will discuss about glands later on. First we will discuss about the path, tongue and teeth. And you all are knowing that we are having the 4 different types of teeth. They are the incisor, canine, premolar and molar. And the different teeth having the different function. That means incisor, the first 4 teeth, they are utilized for biting the food. The next 2 teeth are known as the canine, they are used for tearing the food. Rest premolar are utilized for crushing and biting, crushing and grinding the food. And the molar is also used for chewing, crushing and grinding the food. Now let's move towards the other part, the pharynx. Pharynx is also known as the windpipe. Pharynx is also known as the windpipe, and it is a muscular tube which is situated at the posterior end of oral cavity. That means जो हमारा oral cavity है, इसके posterior end पे ये windpipe present होता है. और this windpipe, it helps in the common passage for wind and food. That means common passage for air and the food. Now the next part is the esophagus. Esophagus, it is also known as the food pipe. Look at here, the mouth, then the esophagus, pharynx. So esophagus, it is also known as the food pipe, and this is extending from mouth and it joined to the stomach. Look at here, mouth से निकल रहा है and joins to the stomach. Now what is the function of esophagus? So esophagus, it pushes the food from mouth to the stomach. That means जो mouth से food stomach में जाता है, तो this esophagus provide passage through which the food is passage from mouth to the esophagus. Next part, which is the small intestine. These villi are hair-like, numerous hair-like structures are present on the surface of the small intestine, which absorb the food as well as it increase the surface area of the small intestine. Now, let's see the last part of the alimentary canal, which is the large intestine. So the length of large intestine is 1.5 meter. Okay, and it is the इस width it high, इसकी जो width होती है, जो चौड़ाई होती है, it is higher as compared to the small intestine. And this large intestine, it is also having the three parts. First is the cecum, then colon, and then rectum. The large intestine, it is utilized for removal of passes for the waste material, and the rectum is finally opens into the anus. And anus, it is also very important point. Look at here, because it is provided with one special type of muscles which is known as the sphincter muscle. Which contract and release and helps in the removal of the undigested food, undigested waste from our body. Now, one question I hope you are just thinking, if the length of large intestine is less and the length of small intestine is maximum as compared to the large, so why that is known as small and why it is known as large? Because the name is given for their width, उनकी चौड़ाई के अकॉर्डिंग दिया गया है. Okay, now if we are going to discuss about the complete length of alimentary canal, this is the length of a small and large intestine, but the complete length of a alimentary canal is 9 meter. So this is all about the today's topic, in which I taught you about the different parts which involve in the passage of the food and in the digestive system, and rest of the part, that means how digestion takes place and whatever the glands which involve in the digestion I will teach in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.